Hey, where are you, Mama?
Ready and getting down.
Okay, I'll meet you at TF. Hello and welcome to a brand new video. In this we are going to witness something yet very different from what I usually post. Today we are going to witness a graduation ceremony, a convocation ceremony. You must be wondering, it's my graduation ceremony, my convocation ceremony. But no, it is not. But before that, we as humans, we seek validation from everything. Since childhood, when we are in LKG, UKG, first class, second class, we try to get good grades in order to get some validation from our parents that we are keeping them happy. Once we grow up, we seek validation from our friends by doing all sorts of stuff they like. So and so things. For example, when I was a kid, biscuit eating competition, and I got third place. To prove that I'm a foodie, I will show that biscuit eating competition certificate to my friends. So validation is a very important part of our life that we don't usually talk about all the time. Similarly, there are milestones in our life. First class to 10th class is a milestone. To validate that milestone, we have certificate, a report card. From 11th to 12th, we have another milestone for which we'll get another certificate. And then real journey in our life begins. That is undergraduation and post-graduation. These are the biggest achievements in our lives. Oh, here we have Benito all dressed up. Okay, we will talk about this. Undergraduation and post-graduation is validated through something called a certificate, and that certificate, or also called a testamur, is very important to take our career forward. And I think on the day of graduation, it is a wonderful, a beautiful, a feeling of achievement, a feeling of winning a war, a feeling of achieving something remarkable in life. That's the feeling that every student carries on the day of the graduation ceremony. Today, on this video, we are going to witness the difference between my graduation ceremony and one of my friends' graduation ceremony that is happening. If you remember from my previous video, the girl who sang so beautifully, so wonderfully is graduating today, and she has a ceremony happening here in Brisbane, Australia. But my graduation ceremony got postponed because of COVID-19. I feel very excited, man. I feel very excited. How do you feel about your graduation when you graduate?
Well, I haven't graduated yet, but I'm actually
Excited, huh?
excited. Yep.
Do you know one amazing fact? When graduates go on stage, they get a role, no, that they receive on the stage. Apparently, in that role, there will be nothing. It will be empty, which is a very big, what do you call it? Scam, we would call it. So they are giving us an empty cardboard on the stage, and when they get down from the stage, they go backstage, collect the documents, and then come. So guys, don't think there will be anything in the role. It would be great if they add some chocolates or something to make us feel better. So don't be fooled thinking there is something in it. There is nothing. They'll collect the documents backstage. That is the amazing fact today you're getting. For free you're getting. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be getting more such free amazing facts. Yeah.
Grace Cooley, Natanya Rasamani Thomas,
Well, congratulations to all the graduates down here. Congratulations on this achievement. It's not so easy to spend 2 years, 2, 3 years, 4 years of their lives to study, completely devoted, blood, sweat and money. It's a lot of dedication, some compromises, no more late parties. So congratulations to all the graduates, not just from Griffith University, not just in Australia, but all around the world. Whoever is watching this in the 341 subscribers that I have, congratulations, man. Congratulations. Party hard. Party hard. This woman is next. Now that we saw a very fancy graduation ceremony, do you want to see how my graduation ceremony went? Come on, take a look. Amazing graduation ceremony, mine is. Today, I would like to tell you and inform to you that I have successfully finished my Master of Business degree.
Congratulations!
Brisbane, Australia. Love you, family members. Love you all. asking me, providing me with unique support to confer this award with my blood, sweat, and hard work. Today, unfortunately, my graduation ceremony postponed, but University of Queensland sent me the certificates, which I think
అయ్యయ్యో
I have to show you fellow family members. This is the first I will be showing you.
ఆశీస్సులు ఇప్పుడే కాదు, రాబోయే రోజుల్లో, రాబోయే కాలాల్లో, రాబోయే యుగాల్లో, రాబోయే జన్మల్లో కూడా మీ ఆశీస్సులు నా బట్టతల మీద అలాగా ఉండాలి. పూర్తిగా, పొట్ట పూర్తిగా, నోరు పూర్తిగా నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మీరందరూ ఇచ్చిన ఆశీస్సులతోనే నేను ఈ రోజు ఇంత సాధించగలిగాను.
ఒరే రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నావు కదా, డ్రామాటిక్ గా మాట్లాడు, మామూలుగా మాట్లాడు. సార్ క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి ఇలాగా, ఇప్పుడు కొట్టండి ఇలాగా.
So that is it for today. Today was an amazing day. I'm really happy that I got my certificate. I've graduated. It was 2 years of intense hard work, and in these 2 years I've learnt a lot, man. Thank the University of Queensland, my parents, and everyone who supported me throughout my journey, my friends, and whoever is studying right now. Please do not lose confidence. If I can do it, you can do it. So keep studying, keep doing what you love, graduate, and thank you so much, guys. Whoever subscribed to my channel, I thank you with full of my heart. Love you all. Love you too much. See you guys. All the best. Mwah.